Apollo is a very popular company, and that has allowed them to overcharge for their service. Currently, if I pay $50 a month, I get what, 500 leads? But leads just don't cost that much, and people are not stupid. For $50, I can get 10 to 50,000 leads with this n8n workflow. In reality, getting leads is cheap and easy. Anyone can set up this workflow without knowing how to code. Let me show you how. If I want to get dental clinics in New York City, I can put this in the search query, and I'm going to get a bunch of locations. Now obviously I don't want to get these details manually because it's very annoying and tedious, so I'm going to be using this n8n workflow to do it automatically. In the end, we're going to get the leads in a Google Sheets file, and we get these details for every lead: the company name, email, phone number, ratings, reviews, website, etc. This workflow is very easy to set up. If you click the link in the description to GitHub Gist, I've put the workflow JSON file so you can copy it and then load it to n8n. Download it as a zip, open the zip file up, then again. Then you're going to drag this to downloads. And now we have it as a JSON file, and it's what we need. Go to your n8n dashboard, then create a new workflow. Click on these three dots, click import from file, then just choose the file you downloaded. Now we need to set up a few things before we can run this. First, I mentioned that the workflow is going to output a Google Sheets file. The workflow needs to know where to put the Google Sheets file. So click any of these, go over to credential, create a new credential, then sign in with Google. Second step is to connect n8n with Google Maps. n8n doesn't have direct access to Google Maps. To get around this, we're going to be using Hasdata API to bridge the gap, and you're going to need an API key. To get an API key, click the first link in the description to get a free trial. No credit card needed. If you didn't like it, you didn't put any money to it, so you have nothing to lose. After you sign up, go to API keys, hover the default key, then click to copy. Back to the workflow, you're going to click any Hasdata node. I'm going to click this, make a new credential, and paste your API key in, then hit save. When I click execute workflow, we get this form asking us what we want to scrape. For this example, I'm going to scrape dental clinics, and you have to include a location in the query. The location can either be a city, street, zip code, or a neighborhood. Just don't forget to include it. Now with my search query, I just can click submit, and then I can close this out. Now the scraper is gonna take a bit to finish, so you can go grab a coffee, and by the time you're back, it's gonna be done. After some time, the workflow is finished, and we got our leads over here. You'll notice that there's also an email column, but if you check Google Maps locations, you cannot find an email here. So how did we get the email? We're getting the email in this section over here. We'll look if the location has a website. If it does, we're going to scrape the website and then scan for emails. If we found an email, good. If we didn't, we're going to try again with Google search. And then we're going to merge the results. Now you'll notice here that we only got 58 leads. That's because we only scanned 3 pages for that search query. If you want to add more leads to this file, let me show you how. When I execute the workflow, you will notice that there's a Google Sheets document ID and a Sheets ID. If we leave this empty, the workflow will make a new file. But if we want to add more leads to the same file, we need the document ID and the sheet ID. If you open the Excel file and the bottom click on runs, you can see that we have the document ID and the sheets ID. So all you have to do is just copy this, paste it over here, copy this, and paste it over here, and search for whatever leads you want to scrape. This time I'm going to scrape software agencies in New York. And for the sake of this example, I'm only going to scrape one page. And then click submit. Okay, the workflow is finished, and we got the new software agency leads. And you really don't have to stop here. You can scrape as many leads as you want. Now it's time for me to show you how the workflow works. First, we're going to read the information that you put on the form when you executed the workflow. We're going to prepare it as queries. Then we're going to be using Hasdata Google Maps to scrape these locations. We're going to remove duplicate locations if there are any. We're going to check if the location has a website. If it does, we're going to scrape the email on the website. If we didn't find it, we're going to scrape it with Google. We're going to merge these two together, and then we're going to check if you put the sheet ID and the document ID. If you did, we're going to update the same file. If you didn't, we're going to make a new file. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I promise we will help you. Hit subscribe, then YouTube will show more videos from us to help you grow your business. Thank you for watching. Take care.